Basic anatomy and physiology practice. Question number 1. The human skeleton is made up of how many bones in an adult? 206, 208, 212, 196. The correct answer is 206 bones. An adult human body has 206 bones. At birth, babies have around 270 to 300 bones which fuse over time. Question number 2. Which bone is known as the funny bone area? Radius, ulna, humerus, tibia. The correct answer is humerus. The funny bone sensation occurs at the elbow where the ulnar nerve passes near the medial epicondyle of the humerus. Question number 3. The kneecap is also called patella, fibula, talus, calcaneus. The correct answer is patella. The patella, which is also known as kneecap, is a sesamoid bone embedded in the quadricep tendon that protects the knee joint. Question number 4. How many pairs of ribs are present in the human body? 10 pairs, 11 pairs, 12 pairs, 14 pairs. The correct answer is 12 pairs. There are 12 pairs of ribs, 7 true ribs, 3 false ribs, and 2 floating ribs on each side. Question number 5. Which part of the skeleton protects the brain? Thoracic cage, vertebral column, cranium, or pelvis? The correct answer is cranium. The cranium encloses and protects the brain. It consists of 8 cranial bones fused together. Question number 6. The largest muscle in the human body is the biceps brachii, gluteus maximus, quadriceps, latissimus dorsi. The correct answer is gluteus maximus. The gluteus maximus is the largest and heaviest muscle in the body, forming most of the buttocks area. Question number 7. Which type of muscle tissue is found in the heart? Skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, or striated voluntary muscle? The correct answer is cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is unique to the heart. It is involuntary and striated, capable of rhythmic contractions. The muscles responsible for breathing is the rectus abdominis, diaphragm, intercostal muscle, pectoralis major. The correct answer is diaphragm. The diaphragm is the primary muscle of respiration. When it contracts, it increases thoracic volume, causing inhalation. Question number 9. Skeletal muscles are attached to bones by ligaments, cartilage, tendons, fascia. The correct answer is tendons. Tendons are fibrous connective tissue that attach muscles to bones. Ligaments connect bone to bone. Question number 10. Which muscle is used to flex the forearm at the elbow? Triceps brachii, biceps brachii, deltoid, brachioradialis. The correct answer is biceps brachii. The bicep brachii is the primary flexor of the forearm. The triceps is the extensors. Question number 11. The brain and spinal cord together form the peripheral nervous system, autonomic nervous system, central nervous system, somatic nervous system. The correct answer is central nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system includes all other nerves outside the central nervous system. Question number 12. Neurons transmit electrical signals called hormones, action potentials, enzymes, antibodies. The correct answer is action potentials. Action potentials are electrical impulses that travel along a neuron. They are the basic unit of neural communication. Question number 13. Which cranial nerve controls vision? Cranial nerve number 1, cranial nerve number 2, cranial nerve number 3, or cranial nerve number 4? The correct answer is cranial nerve number 2, which is also called as optic nerve. The optic nerve transmits visual information from the retina to the brain for processing. Question number 14. The myelin sheet around neurons functions to provide nutrition, speed up nerve impulses, produce neurotransmitters, store calcium. The correct answer is speed up nerve impulses. Myelin is a fatty insulated layer that increases the speed of nerve signal transmission through saltatory conduction. Question number 15. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebrum, medulla oblongata, cerebellum, thalamus. The correct answer is cerebellum. The cerebellum coordinates voluntary movements, balance, and fine motor control. Damage causes ataxia. Question number 16. The normal resting heart rate for an adult is 40 to 60, 60 to 100, 100 to 120 or 50 to 80 beats per minute. The correct answer is 60 to 100 beats per minute. A normal adult resting heart rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Athletes may have a lower resting rate, and when the person has a lower resting heart rate, that is called bradycardia. Bradycardia means lower heart rate. The largest artery in the human body is the pulmonary artery, femoral artery, aorta, or carotid artery. The correct answer is aorta. The aorta is the largest blood vessel originating from the left ventricle and distributing oxygenated blood to the body. Question number 18. Blood is pumped to the lungs from which chamber of the heart? Left ventricle, right atrium, right atrium. The correct answer is right ventricle. The right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs via the pulmonary artery for oxygenation. Question number 19. Which blood cells carry oxygen throughout the body? White blood cells, platelets, red blood cells, or plasma cells? The correct answer is red blood cells. RBCs contain hemoglobin which binds to oxygen and transports it from the lungs to body tissues. Question number 20. The normal blood pressure reading for a healthy adult is 100 to 60, 120 by 80, 140 by 90 or 110 by 70 millimeters of mercury. The correct answer is 120 by 80 millimeters of mercury. So normal blood pressure is 120 by 80 millimeters of mercury. 120 is systolic, means when the heart is contracting, and 80 is diastolic, when the heart is relaxing. Question number 21. Gas exchange in the lungs takes place in the bronchi, trachea, alveoli or bronchioles. The correct answer is alveoli. Alveoli are tiny air sacs in the lungs surrounded by capillaries where oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange occurs. Question number 22. Which structure prevents food from entering the airway? Uvula, epiglottis, vocal cords or larynx? The correct answer is epiglottis. The epiglottis is a flap of cartilage that covers the larynx during swallowing to prevent food or liquid from entering the airways. Question number 23. The normal respiratory rate for an adult is 8 to 12 breaths per minute, 12 to 20, 20 to 30 or 25 to 35 breaths per minute. The correct answer is 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Normal adult respiratory rate is 12 to 20 breaths per minute. If the person has less than 20, more than 20 breaths per minute, it is called tachypnea. And if the person has less than 12 breaths per minute, this is called as bradypnea. Question number 24. Which gas do we primarily exhale? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide or hydrogen? The correct answer is carbon dioxide. We exhale carbon dioxide as a waste product of cellular respiration. Exhaled air also contains water vapor and some oxygen. Question number 25. The right lung has how many lobes? 1, 2, 3 or 4? The correct answer is 3 lobes. The right lung has 3 lobes, upper, middle, lower. The left lung has only 2 lobes to accommodate the heart. Question number 26. Digestion of protein begins in the mouth, stomach, small intestine or large intestine. The correct answer is stomach. Protein digestion begins in the stomach with pepsin enzyme and hydrochloric acid. Carbohydrate digestion starts in the mouth. Question number 27. The longest part of the digestive tract is the stomach, large intestine, small intestine, esophagus. The correct answer is small intestine. The small intestine is about 6 to 7 meters long and is the primary site for nutrient absorption. Question number 28. Which organ produces insulin? Liver, gallbladder, pancreas, or spleen? The correct answer is pancreas. The pancreas produces insulin from beta cells which regulates blood glucose. It also produces digestive enzymes. Question number 29. Bile is produced by the liver and stored in the pancreas, gallbladder, duodenum, or spleen. The correct answer is gallbladder. Bile is produced by the liver and stored or concentrated in the gallbladder. It is released to emulsify fats during digestion. Question number 30. Which organ is responsible for most of the water absorption from the food? Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, or rectum? The correct answer is large intestine. The large intestine, which is also called as colon, absorbs water and electrolytes from indigestible food matter, forming solid stool. Question number 31. The functional unit of the kidney is called the glomerulus, nephron, renal tubule, collecting duct. The correct answer is nephron. Each kidney contains about 1 million nephron. Each nephron filters blood and produces urine. Question number 32. Urine is stored in the kidney, ureter, urethra, or urinary bladder. The correct answer is urinary bladder. Urinary bladder stores urine until it is excreted via the urethra during urination. Question number 33. Normal urine output per day for an adult is approximately 500 to 800 ml, 800 to 1000 ml, 1000 to 2000 ml, 2000 to 3000 ml. The correct answer is 1000 to 2000 ml. Normal daily urine output is 1 to 2 liters, less than 400 ml per day is oliguria, less than 100 ml per day is anuria. Question number 34. The hormone ADH, antidiuretic hormone, helps increase urine production, retain water in kidneys, increase blood pressure, decrease salt absorption. The correct answer is retain water in kidneys. ADH, which is also called as vasopressin, promotes water reabsorption in kidney tubules, reducing urine output and preventing dehydration. Question number 35. Which gland is known as the master gland of the body? Thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pituitary gland, pineal gland. The correct answer is pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is called the master gland and it controls other endocrine glands and regulates growth, metabolism and reproduction. Question number 36. Which hormone is responsible for the fight or flight response? Insulin, thyroxine, adrenaline or cortisol? The correct answer is adrenaline, which is also called as epinephrine. Adrenaline is released by the adrenal medulla during stress, increasing heart rate, blood pressure, and preparing the body for action. Question number 37. Thyroid hormone mainly regulates blood sugar levels, metabolic rate, blood calcium levels, water balance. The correct answer is metabolic rate. Thyroxine and triiodothyronine regulate basal metabolic rate, affecting energy use, temperature, and growth. Question number 38. Which hormone regulates blood calcium? The correct answer is insulin, glucagon, parathyroid hormone, aldosterone. The correct answer is parathyroid hormone. Parathyroid hormone is released by the parathyroid gland and increases blood calcium by stimulating bone reabsorption and kidney reabsorption. Question number 39. Which layer of the skin contains keratinized dead cells? Dermis, hypodermis, stratum corneum, stratum basilae. The correct answer is stratum corneum. The stratum corneum is the outermost layer of the epidermis. It contains dead keratinized cells that form a protective barrier. Question number 40. Which skin cell produces melanin, which is a skin pigment? Keratinocytes, melanocytes, Langerhans cells, Merkel cells. The correct answer is melanocytes. Melanocytes in the stratum basilae produce melanin, which protects against ultraviolet radiations, UV rays, and determines skin color. Question number 41. Vitamin D is synthesized in the skin when exposed to infrared light, visible light, ultraviolet light, X-ray. The correct answer is ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet B radiation converts 7-dehydrocholesterol in the skin to vitamin D3 polycalciferol, essential for calcium absorption. Question number 42. The deepest layer of the epidermis where new cells are produced is stratum spinosum, stratum granulosum, stratum corneum, stratum basilae. The correct answer is stratum basilae. The stratum basilae contains stem cells that continuously divide to produce new keratinocytes. Question number 43. Fertilization of the eggs normally occurs in the uterus, ovary, fallopian tube, or cervix. The correct answer is fallopian tube. Fertilization occurs in the ampulla of the fallopian tube. The fertilized egg then travels to the uterus for implantation. Question number 44. The hormone responsible for milk production is estrogen, oxytocin, prolactin, progesterone. The correct answer is prolactin. Prolactin from the anterior pituitary stimulates milk production. Oxytocin causes milk ejection, letdown reflex. Question number 45. Normal gestational period pregnancy duration is approximately 32 weeks, 36 weeks, 40 weeks, or 44 weeks. The correct answer is 40 weeks. Normal pregnancy lasts about 40 weeks, 280 days from the first day of the last menstrual period. Question number 46. Lymphatic or immune system. The spleen is the part of the digestive system, lymphatic system, endocrine system, or urinary system. The correct answer is lymphatic system. The spleen filters blood, removes old RBCs, stores platelets, and contains lymphocytes for immune response. Question number 47. Antibodies are produced by which type of white blood cells? Neutrophils, monocytes, B lymphocytes, or natural killer cells? The correct answer is B lymphocytes. B cells differentiate into plasma cells that produces antibodies, which is also called as immunoglobulins specific to antigens. Question number 48. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? Type A, type B, type AB, or type O negative? The correct answer is O negative. O negative blood has no A, B, or Rh antigen and can be given to any blood type in emergencies. Question number 49. The malleus, incus, and stapes are bones found in the nose, eye socket, middle ear, or wrist. The correct answer is middle ear. These three ossicles, malleus, incus, stapes, are the smallest bones in the body, transmitting sound vibrations to the cochlea. Question number 50. The joint between vertebra is an example of a synovial joint, fibrous joints, cartilaginous joint, ball and socket joint. The correct answer is cartilaginous joints. Intervertebral joints are cartilaginous joint symphysis that allows limited movement and absorb shock. Which vitamin is essential for proper blood clotting? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, or vitamin K? The correct answer is vitamin K. Vitamin K is required for the synthesis of clotting factor 2, 8, 9, and 10 in the liver. Question number 52. The pH of normal blood is 6.8 to 7, 7.7 to 7.2, 7.35 to 7.45, 7.5 to 7.6. The correct answer is 7.35 to 7.45. Blood pH must be maintained between 7.35 to 7.45. Below 7.35 is acidosis. Above 7.45 is alkalosis. And both conditions are dangerous. Thank you. Follow for more informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe. If you need any kind of notes related to medical studies, or if you want these MCQs in PDF format, leave a comment below. Thank you.